daily life, the life of women in those times. So when I heard on the news about women in Saudi Arabia who were suffering so greatly today, I just compared the two. And it's crazy what you learn from just history class. It's a hot summer day. You throw on a t-shirt and shorts. Nothing wrong with that, right? In Saudi Arabia, women can't even show their ankles. They also can't drive, and it's considered immoral if they're seen with a man who's not related to them by blood or law. It's crazy to think that thousands of years ago, women had more rights than this. In Catalunya, people worshipped goddesses, not gods. They thought childbirth was a gift, not a curse. In their temples, the goddess of fertility is very prominent. Ancient Sumerian people allowed women to own land, go to religious ceremonies, and many other things. There are also many Persian women. Persian women warriors. Archibald-Pantia and Aphrodite were commanders, and then there was Azurbanipal, who was an empress of Persia. These rites continued into Celtic and Egyptian times. Boadicea was a very strong Celtic warrior who led her people against the Romans. The Celtic women in general would be artisans, druids, or chieftains. Also, the Egyptians had all the same legal and political rights as men, except they couldn't be pharaohs unless in a very special case. They also married for love and at the same age, unlike the Greeks, who married as a status symbol. So why, now in the present day, do women in Saudi Arabia have so many restrictions? Women can't drive, they can't vote, and they have to have a male guardian who is related to them by blood or law at all times. This guardian has the final say in matters such as jobs, marriage, divorce, and travel of under 45. So the guardian, actually there's no law against disobeying a guardian, but there's also no law against how your guardian could treat you, so they're just kind of useless laws. And a CBS article on December 16, 2011 reported that a Saudi woman was beheaded for breaking the law by practicing sorcery or being a witch. The law continues that if America were to have the exact same law, then almost half the country would be convicted based on Harry Potter and Halloween. Things are still really difficult in Saudi Arabia, but there are rumors that women will be allowed to vote in the 2015 election, that they'll be allowed to compete in the 2012 London Olympics. Nothing is for sure yet, though. So before you throw on that pair of flip-flops, just think that some women in Saudi Arabia have never been able to do that. What could you do to help?